Repair Clinic encourages you to perform this procedure safely. In this video, we will show one or more of these icons to alert you when to use caution. Before you replace the dispenser housing in your washer, be sure to unplug the power cord and close the water supply valves. Remove the hot and cold water supply lines from the inlet valve. Be prepared for some water to spill. Use a number 2 square bit or a Phillips head screwdriver to unthread the screws at the back, securing the main top. Slide the main top back and lift it up to remove. Next, unthread the vibration dampener mounting screws. Lift off the block. Disconnect the power cord wire connector. Detach the grounding wire from the rear panel and release the wire retainer. Unthread the mounting screws securing the drain hose retainer and remove the retainer. Next, remove the screws securing the main top mounting bracket. Set the bracket aside. Unthread the screws securing the rear panel to the motor control board. Now use a T20 Torx bit to unthread the remaining screws securing the rear panel. Detach the panel. Pull out the dispenser drawer and depress the button to fully release it. Unthread the dispenser housing mounting screws. Use a Phillips head screwdriver to loosen the screw to release the retaining clamps securing the hose to the dispenser. Pull the hose off. Disconnect the water inlet valve wire connectors. Next, unthread the 2 screws securing the dispenser housing to the support rail. Now slide the old housing straight back to detach. Cut the zip tie securing the recirculation and air vent hoses. Release the spring clamp securing the air vent hose to the housing and pull the hose off to remove the housing. Prepare the new dispenser housing for installation by transferring the vent tube from the old housing to the new one. Attach the air vent hose to the port on the new dispenser housing and secure it with the spring clamp. Use a zip tie to secure the air vent and recirculation hoses to the housing. Now aligning the groove in the housing with the tab on the support rail, slide the dispenser housing into place. Thread the screws to secure the housing to the support rail. Connect the wire connectors to the appropriate terminals on the water inlet valve. Attach the dispenser hose to the housing. Make sure the indicator tab aligns with the arrow. Tighten the screw to secure the clamp. Replace the screws in the dispenser drawer housing. Replace the dispenser drawer. Reposition the rear panel. Thread and tighten all of the mounting screws, except for the 2 top screws on the back. Realign the main top support bracket and secure it with the screws. Reconnect the power cord wire connector. Attach the grounding wire to the rear panel and snap the wire retainer into place. Realign the drain hose retainer and replace the mounting screw. Reposition the vibration dampener, then thread and tighten the screws to secure. Realign the main top and slide it into place. Rethread the screws in the back. Attach the hot and cold water supply lines to the inlet valve. With the repair completed, reopen the water supply valves. Plug the power cord back in, and your washer should be ready for use.